Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a shop for some cashback items that me and my family can actually use. So this is what I got, and I'm going to show you how to scan these items and add them to your list. So once you go to your list, make sure your list is cleared out, and you only want to scan the items and see, as you see that coupon right there, you want to make sure that coupon is selected for each item that's in your cart. Like for example, this one, I thought it was one of the cashback items, and I realized that it wasn't. So I scanned it to my list, and I found out that I didn't have a coupon for it. So I had to go back to my list so that I was able to delete it from my list, because I only want to put items on my list that has a cashback. So everything that's in my buggy, Dollar General is going to give me a cashback incentive for. So this is where I had to click it in order to delete it off my list. So I'm deleting that off my list. And now the only thing I have so far is my Splenda. So now fast forward, I've added all of the items in the buggy to the list using the same method. And what I'm going to do here in this video is add it to the list as well as I'm going to pay for it. So everything that's on my list, you can see there's two things that I want you to pay attention to. I'm clicking the checkbox besides each item to add it to my list that's updating at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to show you in just a second where you see the tag beside it. You can look through this list and you'll see deals applied and deals available. So now I'm going through each item to see if everything is checked off as far as the coupons that I can use, and to see which ones that I'm able to use the deals applied versus the deals available. The deals available are the ones that are cash back. The deals applied are the ones that are on sale. So you can't get cash back for something that you already have a coupon for. So you see I have $1.30 in coupons. So I'm going to get that $1.30 plus I earned $7.75 for my cash back. Also, make sure you ask the cashier to let you input your phone number to make sure that you can get all of your discounts. There you have it. I spent a total of $54.40. I got my deals applied was $2.30. So now I have DG cash earnings of $7.75. And more than likely, I'll probably use this in another example. I want to show you all how you can use your cash back in order to get free items, but also save some cash back to use for Saturday's savings.